Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from FREEBIES and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we're going to talk about YouTube video ideas for beginners. I know a lot of people now are launching their channels, but how do you generate some ideas for your videos? We're going to see that in today's video. Before we do that, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump into this, and I'm going to share several different strategies with you. So you'll have a lot of ways to generate ideas for your video. All right, the first one is, I call this, you look at other channels in your niche and identify what topics are already working well for them. So how do you do it? Let's do it right now. So what I'm gonna do is log into my YouTube and go to search, and so my niche is social media. So I'm gonna search for my niche, and this page is just the videos. I don't want the videos. What I'm looking for in step one is the channel. So click on filter and then channels. And here are different channels in my niche. Very cool. So let's go to one of these channels, and then I'm gonna go to videos tab, and then also right now they're sorted by the date. I'm gonna click on sort by and then most popular. That's because I want to look at the videos that have gone viral on their channels, or the videos that are performing really well. And boom, look at this. Instagram stories, Facebook business page. So I can already tell there's a theme or there's a pattern here. But this is how you can go to your competition or other people in your niche and go to their channels and look at the popular video section and then see what's working. And this will give you a lot of ideas. I will, from every single channel, maybe grab the top 5 or top 10 and then start making your own list. So that's, if these topics or these videos have gone viral on their channel, they're likely to do really well on your channel as well, right? All right, so that was our tactic number 1. Now let's talk about tactic number 2, and it's a tool called TubeBuddy. And yes, it's one of my favorite tools, and yes, I am the one of the affiliates for them, and I'll have a link in the description if you want to check that out. But I use TubeBuddy for all of my keyword research on YouTube and also topic research. So once you sign up on TubeBuddy and you install their Chrome extension, you see the icon right here. And then they have a tool inside called Keyword Explorer. I'll give you like a quick demo right now, but I have a full tutorial on my channel if you want to see that. But basically what this tool does is, so let's say I want to create a video on Facebook ads. So I'll go first, it's the autocomplete, but once I click on my general topic and then hit explore, now look at this. So here are all these ideas that I can potentially create videos about. So these are video searches, then web searches, and also video topics. Very cool. So for example, I can create a video about how Facebook ads work in 2020, right? So let's look at that. And here's the cool thing about TubeBuddy, and the thing I like the best or the most. This tool also tells you, based on your channel, like what are your chances of ranking for this video. So for example, once I identify the keyword, and so there's an unweighted score, and that this section does not take your channel into account. So on the free plan, you will see this. But the weighted section is something that you have to, if you upgrade, only then you will see it. But I know many people, they use the free version of TubeBuddy, and that's it. They never upgrade. So it's really up to you. You don't have to upgrade. But here's the benefit. So if you have the pro version of the TubeBuddy and it goes to the weighted, so this right here, so this tells me my channel on average, I have a very small YouTube channel. I on average get 82 views for my videos, right? And that's like the average. But to be able to rank for this keyword, I need to at least get 1,500 views. So this tells me I can select this keyword, but my chances of getting ranked are very low, right? So that's the beauty of the TubeBuddy Chrome extension. Now, what you would do at this point, I would just kind of go back and then continue with my research. For example, let's say here's another Facebook Ads Manager tutorial 2019. So let's change that to 2020 because it's 2020 now. And now let's look at the score and see what happens. It seems like the score is a little bit better right now. And see, look at this. So now I'm still probably not gonna select this keyword because My channel only gets 82, and the average on this is, or the minimum, actually that's the lowest video count in the top ranking videos. The average for this keyword is right here, 18,000, but the lowest one is 250. So if I can't even get the lowest one, that means I'm never gonna rank for this keyword. But you see how in like just few seconds, I'm able to improve my keyword or topic research. That's the power of TubeBuddy. If you want me to do like a more detailed tutorial on TubeBuddy, how to use it, how to find the perfect keyword that I know before I create the video, I can tell if I'm gonna rank or not. That's the beauty of this tool and this extension. Let me know if you are interested in that type of videos in the comments, and I can create like a full tutorial. But for today's, for this video, I wanted to show you, if you use Chrome extension TubeBuddy, you can generate ideas for your content on YouTube channel. Unlimited ideas, basically. And very quickly, let's say I want to do a social media tool, right? And again, you just put your keyword, hit explore, and then here are video searches. These are the topics, these are the things people are already searching. And here on YouTube, and here are what people are searching based on your keywords on web, which means Google. And then here are some video topics. So right now for this keyword, they don't have a recommendation, but in many cases they do. So basically, if you play with, or if you use this tool, you have unlimited idea. So that was our strategy number 2. Now, the strategy number 3 is back to the basics. It's very simple, and it's using the YouTube autocomplete. So the search box, not many people use it, but it's very powerful. So for example, if I go to search and let's say I type TikTok for business, and see, here is the YouTube autocomplete is already telling me what are people looking for. So TikTok for business is already something that a topic that I can create a video on. TikTok business model, TikTok business account. So there are so many things. For example, let's say Facebook ads tutorial, and look at this. So Facebook ads tutorial 2020, that could be one topic. Facebook ads tutorial for beginners, step by step, another topic. Facebook ads tutorial for real estate. So that's like going niche and extremely powerful. Facebook ads tutorial advanced. So you see how by just using the autocomplete section on YouTube, you get plenty of video ideas for your channel. All right, so that was a tactic number 3. Now let's look at tactic number 4, and this is using a tool called Answer the Public. So just search for Answer the Public. It's answerthepublic.com, and basically discover what people are asking about. So let's say I want to create, seems like I've done some research before, videos on Instagram marketing. So I'll hit search, and this tool is gonna give me unlimited ideas too. Hit search, and just give it 2 seconds. It's searching, and now look at that. So you have all these. What is affiliate marketing and Instagram? So all of these are different topics. How to learn Instagram marketing, how to start Instagram marketing, how much Instagram marketing costs. Those are, if your niche is Instagram or Instagram marketing, you have unlimited ideas for YouTube videos, right? And based on different topics people are searching for. You can also scroll down. If you scroll down, so here you go. So this is what I was looking for. So you can also kind of see ideas based on the alphabet. So Instagram marketing app. So you can create Instagram marketing for B2B, Instagram marketing books, Instagram marketing budgets, Instagram marketing for business or businesses. This tool is very, very powerful. Look at this. Instagram marketing using Hootsuite, Instagram marketing for hotels. I can go on and on and on. But answerthepublic.com, bookmark this tool. You can use it for not just YouTube video ideas. You can also use it for your blog content ideas. Very powerful. So that was our tactic number or strategy number 4. Number 5 is using another site called Quora. So Quora is Q&A site. That's where people go to ask questions and find answers. And basically, this is what it looks like, Quora.com. And same thing, I'm going to go to Quora, and search for, let's say, Facebook marketing. Hit enter, and now it's going to give you topics and also different questions. So for example, is Facebook marketing suitable for business? You can take that. That's a really good, I'm sure a lot of people have that question, and that's a really great topic for YouTube videos. What are the best resources to learn Facebook marketing, right? How can I learn Facebook marketing? So if you go through and these are, the reason I love Quora is because these are the actual questions from real people. So that's very powerful because they are typing these in, they are phrasing these questions. So sometimes I'll just take this whole thing and this will be my YouTube title, because I know there is, if one person is looking for this, there gotta be more people who are looking for the same question or same answer. All right, so that was our tactic number 5. Number 6 is very simple. It's asking your audience. So if you have an email list, if you have your Facebook group, in my case, I have a lot of students. I create online courses on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare. So I have a lot of students. They ask questions, and sometimes I take their questions and create videos. So if you have a community or your audience in your email list, in your Facebook group or other places, ask them. Ask them what do they want to learn and what type of content you can create so they can move their business forward. So that's our tactic number 6. Now, tactic number 7 is very simple. Another one is looking at your YouTube comments. So sometimes when you create videos, people leave comments and people leave questions. People want to learn more. And then when you look at, not always, because sometimes their comments may not be something that you can answer quickly, but sometimes you can take those questions and create the whole video, right? So that's very, very powerful. So for example, here are some of the recent comments on my most recent video. But when you are creating consistent content, you'll see a lot of people will reach out and leave comments, and that's an opportunity. Those are ideas for you for future videos. Very, very easy way to generate some YouTube video ideas, right? All right, so for example, look at this. So I created a video about TikTok, and this person is like, I'm struggling with TikTok, is how to get more people to view my video. So that's a YouTube idea, video idea, right? So how do you get more views on TikTok videos, right? So I could totally use that and create more content. So that was our tactic number 7. Let's look at tactic number 8, which is Google Trends. So you can also go to Google Trends. Let me Google and see different things that are trending. So here I am, trends.google.com and /trends. And I'm just gonna scroll down, and here are different things that are trending. So obviously coronavirus, that's a big topic right now. So if it's relevant for you, it may be a really good idea to create videos on that. But if you scroll down, you'll see different things. So here are different recently trending. So here are different things that are trending right now. And also so that's one way you can see what topics are trending. The other thing is you can also check, so for example, let's say if I wanted to create videos on Facebook ads, so I can search on Facebook ads and then see the trend for that term. So here it seems like it's been pretty constant over time. Let's see if I want to do, I'm gonna go back and let's do a search on Instagram ads. There you go. So it's been pretty consistent so this is like last 1 year. I believe there's a way to the past 5 years. Let's see. I'm sure it's probably going to show, yeah, look at this. Since 2016, it has kind of like gone up. And I believe that's probably, this is 2015, right? So since 2015, it has like gone up. Because obviously now more and more people are using Instagram and using Facebook ads to grow their business. So you can use Google Trends to, number 1, look at what's trending, and also number 2, check the trend sentiment on different topics that you are planning on creating videos on. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. So we covered 8 different tactics or strategies that you can use to generate ideas for your brand new YouTube channel. If you have any question on any of the tactics that we covered today, let me know those questions in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to share my insights. Thanks so much for watching. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.